Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks for Windows 10. In today's video, we will guide you through the steps to turn on color filters to the screen in Windows 10. This feature can be helpful for individuals with visual impairments or those who find certain color schemes more comfortable. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. Go to Settings by clicking on the gear icon. Step 3. In the Settings menu, click or tap on Ease of Access. Step 4. On the left-hand menu, click or tap on Color Filters. Then, on the right side, turn on the option labeled Turn on Color Filters. By following these simple steps, you have successfully learned how to turn on color filters to the screen in Windows 10. This feature can help enhance your visual experience and make your screen more comfortable to view. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.